It's a rainy day today. Can't do much outside, so we're in the garage. We're going to make a modification to our Raptor Limited. We mapped this out, got all the parts last week, and now it's raining, so we're going to get busy. I'll show you what the modification is. From the factory, the drawbar hole and the drawbar area is made out of very thin metal. And as you can see, I have a lawn cart and a lawn roller that I tow behind, and this I've only had it on there a few hours, probably 3 hours total. And this hole is wearing oblong teardrop shape, and there's not a lot of metal between here and air. So that was obviously going to wear out and become useless. We started out on Amazon buying this part. I'll focus in on the part number. This part was $18 shipped to the house. This is a $20 repair. There's the part number. There is one for $10, and the fellow that supplies those is a member of the Facebook Hustlers Owners page, and it's made slightly different and is less expensive, but he didn't tell me that until after I bought this one. And I don't know how the shipping worked out for his, but the bill of material is a marker, so you can mark where your holes are going to go. A pilot drill. This one's 1564, so I selected that because I'll probably never use it for anything else. And this is a 3/8. These are 98 or 99 cents at Walmart. 5/16 bolts with a 1/2 inch hex head. And I bought some flat washers because all the washers I own are all rusty, and I didn't want to put anything other than new into this repair. A 1/2 inch closed end socket, or a wrench, and a 1/2 inch socket. Let's get started. And I forgot to mention electric drill. Plugged in. And a rule to center the part. I'm going to measure from this hole to the edge and from that hole to the edge. If you don't have holes like that on your model, pick another spot so that you get it close to center is reasonable. Doesn't have to be perfect. It happens to be 2 1/8 from each outside hole. So I'm going to place my bolts in the slide area near the outside edge. If the bolt comes loose, it'll have a little bit of wiggle, and I'll be able to get a bolt in there without, if you tighten yourself off in these outside holes, if one of your holes is a little bit out of alignment, it'll be hard to mount. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of play by using this slot area. I do want to mention that this part is very heavy, very well painted. It looks to be a very quality part. Of course, it'll get all scratched up with use, but it'll look nice for now. It is a quality part. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and start our pilot holes. Don't let that bit walk. Start out nice and slow if you have a variable speed. It wants to walk. Man, does it want to walk. We're going to start out with a really big one. That's enough. Give us a nice dent for our bigger drill. Check the other side, make sure you're not going to run into something. My muffler's right there, but I'll try not to hit it. Alright, we're going to swap bits. Okay, we swap bits. Harbor Freight drill bit. This is dull up pretty quick. Okay, take a break. That's some good steel there. Better than the bit for sure. I'll put my belly into it. Oh boy. I thought this was going to go a lot faster than this. Uh-oh. There's another plate behind there. The old engine guard. It's actually two plates to drill through. Let me show it to you. Look here, whole nother frame. That's the old, that's all they used to supply was this 4-inch piece. And now there's two of them on there, bolted on there. I could pop that off, but I still have to get a hole through that other one, so no advantage to that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off. You know what I'm struggling with, trying to get through that hole. You'll have the same issue. So, plan on doing some heavy duty drilling. Now we got our through holes in, worked up a good sweat. Now we're going to take a bolt and a washer, put it through there. Get the other one. You got really good alignment there. Put it through there and go to the other side and put on the nut and the washer. Now we're going to take our 1/2-inch box in. Now we're going to take our 1/2-inch box in. Put on the back nut. 1/2-inch socket on the front bolt. Righty tighty. We're going to snuggle this up pretty tight. You can tell by my grunt how tight it was. That's about 18 pounds of torque, I think, when I grunt. Scientific, right? Never owned a torque wrench, so that makes it tight enough. Alright. There's a $20 modification for a tow hitch on my 2018 Raptor Limited, which they should have done at the factory, but I'll guarantee you the factory doesn't want you towing things with your tractor. The hydros on these are good for about 800 pounds. That includes your weight, the weight of the vehicle, and whatever you put behind it. And a lawn roller probably weighs, I don't know, 400 pounds or something like that. My cart full of water for the garden probably weighs 200, 300 pounds. They don't want you towing stuff, but they sell a lot of these hitches because people do tow with their 0 turns. This one's a Hustler, but most other brands are exactly the same kind of setup. They really don't have a tow hitch. It's a $20 tow hitch from Pittsburgh Pap. Y'all have a great day and have fun mowing.